Hi, it's Lana from Three Birds Renovations, and I'm going to show you the exterior design choices we made to take this from a tired old cottage into something fabulous. The first place we always start with all of our homes is with a vision board. That's where we collect all of our ideas for how the home is going to look, how we want it to look and feel, and it becomes our guiding light for all of our decisions. And when we're communicating with people like our tradespeople, suppliers, and architect perhaps, they need to understand what our vision for the home is, and that's where a vision board comes in so handy. So for this house, we wanted to create a vision of a contemporary cottage to modernise what was already here and make a bit of a statement, because street appeal is everything. So the first thing we wanted to change was the cladding. Originally it was thin horizontal cladding. We wanted to freshen up with this modern vertical look using the James Hardie Stria in a splayed profile. These can also be run horizontally, but the vertical look was a bit more fresh and modern for us. Actually, James Hardie have loads of different profiles with their cladding that can look like timber, cement, and even render. And what we love about James Hardie cladding is just how durable it is. It's made from fibre cement, which makes it resistant to rotting, termites, fire, warping, you name it. And it's totally paint friendly, so it looks better for longer. Now, speaking of paint, we chose this gorgeous sage green to bring some freshness and a calming sense to this gorgeous contemporary cottage. And it really pops against the white trims that we've done around the windows and on the roof. Now with these trims, it's another great James Hardie product called Axon, which provides this great squared off look against the cladding. And the accent trim comes in some different profiles. We've gone for quite a chunky one to really add some definition to these windows. And don't forget to style the front of your house. Here we've kept it quite simple with this leather bench seat, some cushions, and some white pot plants. And then around the back here, we've converted what was a shed into this gorgeous looking bar using the James Hardie Axon product in a grained finish. You can also get it in a smooth finish. We went for that texture just to give it a little more depth. So the Stria planks that we used on the main house come in long individual planks that slot together via a tongue and groove system. The Axon comes in large panels that can go on really easily. They also tongue and groove together, but you can get a lot of coverage really fast. So with this shed that's now been turned into a bar, we actually also wrapped the Axon around here behind the barbecue to make this feel like a real little room under the pergola, and it just looks fantastic, much better than just the fence behind it. James Hardie products are made locally in Sydney and Brisbane, so getting your hands on the products is easy. No matter what look you're going for in your home, James Hardie has you covered with their gorgeous range of exterior cladding products. Head to the James Hardie website to learn more about popular exterior trends.